Thiago from Flip again, okay? And today I want to talk to you about demonstrative pronouns, alright? Demonstrative pronouns are very commonly used in English. We use demonstrative pronouns when we want to indicate things, alright? So here I have some examples of demonstrative pronouns, and we have demonstrative pronouns used in the singular form and demonstrative pronouns used in the plural forms, alright? I will start talking to you about the singular ones, alright? So okay, in this case we have here two different demonstrative pronouns. We have this and we have that. What's the difference between this and that, alright? This always talks about short distances, alright? Short distances, I use this. And when I use that, I talk about, you see, long distances, alright? So remember that it's very important, we are talking about the singular. So when we use this or that, it's necessary to conjugate the verb to be in the singular. So this or that is, okay? I have an example here. And for us to see how we can create sentences using these or that, alright? So always remember, we always use this to demonstrate things. So here we have, for example, singular, huh? This or that is my new car, right? Okay, when I want to create a question with this, you remember the verb be, right? So how to create a question? We will invert the order of the verb to be, so we have here, is this or is that your car? And then you always answer with affirmative, yes it is, or negative, no it isn't, alright? So basically this is how we work with this and that, remember, demonstrative pronouns, okay? After this, I want to talk to you about the plural form, okay? The plural form is very simple too. The difference is that when I use this and that, I only talk about one, you see? It's the singular form. So here when I use the plural form, I always talk about two or more. 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, alright? So here I have, again, these and those. What's the difference here? Similar to this, these talks about short distance, okay? Plural, but short distance. And when I use those, I am talking about long distance, okay? So, you can consider that these is the plural of this, and those is the plural of that, okay? So, remember that in the plural form, when I conjugate the verb be, this conjugation, it's necessary that this conjugation is in the plural. So, these and those are, right? So, I also have an example here for this case that we create the sentence, we change it to a question, and we answer the question. So take a look. Plural form. These or those are his friends, okay? Remember that in this case, car is in the singular, but in this case I'm using friends, alright? This is in the plural. So I have here the sentence in the affirmative form. We have these or those are his friends, alright? Remember, plural form in this case. And when I want to change it to interrogative, I have there, are these or are those his friends? And then when you answer, when you give the answer to the question, you can give an affirmative answer, yes they are, or negative answer, no they aren't. So again, are these or are those his friends? Affirmative, yes they are. Negative, no they aren't. So remember that in this case, we have to use they because it's plural, right? In this case, we use it because it's singular, alright? Simple like this. And to finish, I would like to talk to you about two different expressions that we also use to make questions, alright? So I have two different expressions that we can use to make questions. First, we have who, alright? When I use who, I create questions about people, alright? About people, about me, about you, about everybody, about people in general. And when I use what, I am talking about things, situations, objects, alright? But remember, when I use who, I talk about people. When I use what, I talk about things in general. Okay? So here I have two different examples of how to use who and what in questions, alright? So we have here, who are those? And then you can, for example, you can answer, oh, those are my friends, okay? Or who are these? These are my students, okay? This is it. And we have an example using what. So when I use who, I talk about my my friends or my students, people. And when I use what, I talk about objects or things. So for example, what is that? Oh, that is my car, or that is my bicycle, okay? What are these? Oh, these are my books, okay? So attention to the use of who and what, and also attention to the use of these, that, these, and those, indicating singular and plural, alright? So, this is our class for today. I hope it helped, okay? And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.